Let's start with the ingredients. I have here sweet rice powder and cornstarch, and then I have this is a Korean red bean jelly. I think it's English called. You can use red bean paste instead of this one. And I have strawberry and milk, sugar, and then corn oil. That's it. Let's start. I learned this wonderful and easy recipe from my good friends from Japan when we were learning English together in America. I had such great fun making these tasty Japanese treats. They are better than what you can buy in store because the fruit inside can be fresh and the other ingredients are mostly from scratch. We start with the simple doughs that will be steamed to make it chewy. This straining before steaming is important to get rid of all the crumbs. The only ingredient not from scratch is the sweet bean paste. It's called patyangang in Korean, and which comes as this soft jelly. Just use a fork to make it into paste. Then roll the paste around the strawberry. This will be inside the mochi. Steam the mochi for about 15 to 20 minutes. You can also do this step in the microwave. Then mix with a big spoon and fold over until it's rubbery. This takes a bit of muscle, but it is a whole lot easier than starting with the cooked rice and pounding. We divide the mochi into small portions and then stretch the mochi around the strawberry and pinch to close. Roll in your palm to make the beautiful shape. Like this. Make sure it's round shape. 짠! All done! Enjoy!